Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my mum's recipe. It is called tortilla, a Spanish dish, and it's really tasty and it's super easy to make. Okay, let's go on with the ingredients. So first we have some salt, a teaspoon of salt. We have a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, some parsley, and a little bit of chili powder. It is up to you if you want to add it. If you like chili, you can add it. If you don't like chili, you don't have to. We have three eggs, 4 potatoes cut into pieces like this, and 1 medium onion cut into pieces. So we're gonna start with the potato. I'm gonna pour that heavy one in. Guys, sorry to tell you right now, but you know the 4 potatoes, they have to be, mine are already fried, so remember to fry them. Then we're going to pour in some onions, the 1 medium onion. Try to get all of it in. Then we're going to start with the salt. Gonna plop that bad boy in there. And we're going to start with the cumin. Then the black pepper. Then the chopped up parsley. And then the chili powder. And then we're gonna get our eggs. We're gonna crack them. Oh, this is a hard boy. Crack them in there. And then we're gonna get, next we can prop that one. And then we are going to mix that all. And we're gonna mix that up with our hands. Oh. Guys, I like to mix with my hands because I get the opportunity to feel the texture. Okay, guys, we are finished. It's super and easy. But right now, we just get some oil. Yes, oil. Just pour a teensy bit. And then you'll get something like this. And then you will spray it around. Just like this. And remember to put just a little bit of oil. When you have finished that, you get your thing and you pour it in. And remember to put oil, cold oil on a cold pan non-stick. You pour it all in there. And then you're going to want to make it straight from the top. Just like this. I'm going to put the heat on. And I'm going to take this and put it on. There we go. And I guess, guys, I'll see you when this beautiful dish is cooked. Guys, look at it now. Now it is ready to flip. Now you just get a big plate and you will, oh my god, this is gonna burn me. Put it exactly like that. So my mom helped me flip it around. Now this is what it should look like. Looks really tasty and can't wait for the end. Welcome back to the video. Now look at this beautiful tortilla dish. Okay, I'm gonna put this tortilla right on the plate. Ooh, a big bad boy. Ooh, it's really good. Can't wait to eat this at the end. Okay guys, now remember, comment down below which recipe I should do next. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!